Welcome to day 3 of 90 Days Reels Challenge, and today we are going to continue further with what are the different types of traders and investors. The third kind of trading is called as BTST trading, and the time span which is required is almost between the range of 30 minutes to 1 hour, where we execute the trade between the span of 3:20 to 3:25 in the afternoon, and then we exit our positions in the morning almost around 9:45 till 10 maximum. And this is also an active kind of income. And even if you're someone who is completely stuck into your profession but still you want to do trading, this is the best kind of solution with which you can start off your trading journey, and you can create decent amount of income through it as well. So the fourth kind of trading is called as swing trading, and the person who does that is called as a swing trader, where the time span which is required is almost within the range of 5 to 10 days, not more than that. And this is like a best opportunity for anyone who is starting off your journey, because this is something where the time span which is required is very less, and the screen time, like the decisions to buy, to sell, and to do much more things, is very less. So if you're starting off your journey, my personal recommendation is to start off with swing trading, and I'll see you in day 4 with part 3 of what are the different types of trading and investing